How to see what Instagram Reels your friends liked. Let's get started. First, update your Instagram app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. If you want to see the Instagram Reel liked by your specific friend, what you have to do is enable blend feature. Open the conversation with the person. At the top of the conversation, you're gonna find this blend feature, click on that. Then you'll need to click on invite. Once you do that, you have enabled blend feature. Now you're gonna get access to the reels that this person has liked. Likewise, while scrolling through reels, you'll find the profile of the person who has liked the reel. So this friend has liked this one reel. Likewise, in case you have enabled the blend feature with any of your friend, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up from your blend, as this person has liked this one reel. So this way you can easily see what Instagram Reels your friends liked. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.